Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Lowe's discounts easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving with Lowe's discounts, visit the official Lowe's website or app. Create an account if you don't have one already. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Browse through the current promotions and discounts available. Take note of any seasonal sales or special offers. Check the Savings tab for exclusive deals for members. Look for the clearance section for additional savings on marked down items. Make sure to sign up for Lowe's email newsletter for ongoing updates on discounts. Consider joining the Lowe's credit card program for additional savings options. Use Lowe's price match guarantee to ensure you're getting the best deal. Before checkout, enter any applicable coupon codes in the promo code box. Review your cart to confirm your discounts are applied correctly. If you have a loyalty program or reward points, ensure you apply them at checkout. Complete your purchase and keep an eye on your email for future promotions. Regularly check the website for new deals and promotions. Visit your local store to find in-store only discounts. Ask a store associate about any unadvertised specials or coupons available in-store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.